Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to check RAM, memory and system specifications on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. You may check your computer RAM, memory and system specifications in various ways. I am going to show you the first way. Right click on Start menu. Now click on System. Here you will find device name, processor, Intel Core i5 6200U CPU, and minimum speed 2.30 gigahertz and maximum speed is 2.4 gigahertz, and two processors, and RAM you will find 4 GB, and device ID, product ID, system type 64-bit operating system. Then you will find the Windows specification edition, Windows 11 Pro version 22H2 install on OS build number. These informations you will find here. To find more details, go to the second way. Click on Start menu. In search, type system information. Look, this is system information. Click on system information. Look, this is the system summary. Here you will find more details. Operating system name, Microsoft Windows 11 Pro version 10.0.22621, build 22621. Operating system description not available, and OS manufacturer, Microsoft Corporation, system name, host 01, then system manufacturer, system model, system type. And then you will find SM BIOS version, then BIOS mode UEFI. Then you will find more details about RAM, physical memory, and total physical memory, available physical memory, and the total virtual memory, available virtual memory, file space, many things you will find here. You will find more details about hardware resources and component resources, and also software environment. Also you will find more details about your system here. Okay, now close system information. There are another way to find RAM's CPU information. Right click on your taskbar and click on Task Manager. Click on Performances. Look, here you will find information about CPU. Have CPU speed 2.40 gigahertz and CPU base speed 2.40 gigahertz, processor 138, and threads and handles. And if you click to memory, you will find information about memory, and total memory 2 GB, available 1.9 GB, and cache 2 GB. Many information, and also you will find more information about disk and also your Ethernet LAN card. Okay, close Task Manager. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.